The current situation in Portland.
Attorney General William Barr fiercely defended the presence of federal officers in Portland during testimony before the House Judiciary Committee.
Federal courts are under attack. Since when is it okay to try to burn down a federal court?
During a contentious hearing, Democrats pressed Barr about tactics used by federal officers, noting specific examples, including the tear gassing of Portland's mayor and a Multnomah County commissioner, along with the use of batons and pepper spray on a Navy veteran.
So let me ask you, sir, do you think it's ever appropriate to use tear gas on peaceful protesters, yes or no?
Well, the problem in these things sometimes occur because it's hard to separate people who...
Mr. Barr, my question is very specific. Do you think it is ever appropriate to use tear gas on peaceful protesters, yes or no?
It is appropriate to use tear gas when it's indicated to disperse...
On peaceful protesters?
To disperse an unlawful assembly, and sometimes, unfortunately, peaceful protesters are affected by it.
Meanwhile, city leaders are waiting to hear back from the feds on their offer to discuss a ceasefire. Mayor Ted Wheeler and Commissioner Joanne Hardesty called for a meeting with Homeland Security to discuss what it will take for federal officers to leave Portland. The city is also waiting to hear back after demanding the feds remove fencing outside the federal courthouse. PBOT says the fence is blocking the sidewalk and plans to collect fines now totaling almost $200,000. And the legal backlash continues. Lawyers, including the ACLU, filed court papers alleging the feds violated a temporary restraining order prohibiting federal officers from going after journalists and legal observers during protests in Portland. Kyle Laboshi, KGW News.